Assembling the grab handle for your IBEX. Lay out the provided parts. Slide 2 T-nuts into the vertical T-channel closest to the rear. Insert M8 bolt into the top grab handle bolt hole. Attach to top T-nut, but do not fully tighten. Attach M8 bolt into lower grab handle bolt hole and T-nut. Slide the grab handle to the desired height and tighten it. And don't forget, this accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. We've got your rack and your back.